Hey guys, welcome back to my project pan collection video. And I'm putting this up late, but this is the first installment of this. Is going to be hair care, fragrance, and also miscellaneous stuff, so like hand soaps and bath stuff. Like I probably won't go too in depth with that, but anyway. So we're going to start with hair care. So I'm going to start with the things that are in my shower, which I'm not going to show you them in video because they're just like, you know, they've been in the shower, they're just wet, and I feel like it's annoying trying to cut up the shampoo and stuff around. So currently in my shower I have one hair mask, and I've also got 11 shampoos and conditioners, like shampoo slash conditioner. So that's that. Then the other two categories I have are hair oil slash serums and then hairspray. So I just don't know kind of how, like I don't know if I should do one, like I feel like hairspray is kind of broad. I think I might do like heat protectant slash, I might do heat protectant, and then I'm just thinking if I should do, because I feel like hairsprays do different things, don't they? I don't know, let me just quickly see what I actually have. So yeah, I'm just kind of like looking at what I've got. So that's like a oil, this is a protect and shine spray. That's a repair and structure spray, so it's kind of like, you know. So I feel like I might need to redo the categories. So I'll leave like hair oil slash serum, I think. And then I'll do heat protectant. And then I might do like leave-in treatment slash conditioner. Do you reckon? Don't know, because then like these things, like these hairsprays can just kind of, I don't know, actually I don't know. Protected shine spray, what would that be? That's just like a hairspray, isn't it? I might put one for like other hairsprays, like if it doesn't fit into the other categories, you know. Okay, so starting with heat protectants then. So I've got these ones. I have the milkshake one, I've got a Briogeo one, so that's like a cream thing. I've got a Goldwell one, and then this one, Cristalli. So I've got 4 there. I've got another mask here, which I don't honestly remember using. Have I used it? I think I might have actually, and it was like in a, like a, what do you call it? A speed review. So that's another hair mask, so that's 2 hair masks. I also have this is a toner, so I'm just going to put that in like other, I guess, I don't know. I've got this hair oil and also this gradual smooth serum, so I'm going to put those in hair oil slash serums. And then I'm going to put these 2, actually these 3, because I've got the hair perfume, I've got the Bon Pro, and also the Just Smooth, so I'll put that in like other hair, which leaves us with 4 in that category. And then the last thing are like the leave-in treatment slash conditioners. So I've got the 2 from Milk. I love these so much, they're so good. I've got 2 from Briogeo. One is like the moisture damage defense leave-in treatment, and then this one is the leave-in conditioning spray. And I've also got one from NAC, so that is 5. So that's all of our opened hair care at the moment. So we have 28 opened hair care things at the moment. Now this is our new hair care, so I'm just going to go through it and sort things into their categories really quick. Okay, so let's start here. These are like masks. I've changed the category to mask slash leave-in treatment. So I've got the Olaplex one. This is the hair perfector, and it says repairs and strengthens all hair types. I feel like it's just like, you know, actually, so yeah, so this is like a treatment that you wash off in the shower. Then we have the Philip Kingsley's Elasticizer Therapies, which is a deep conditioning treatment. We have the Gizu Honey Infused Hair Mask, and also the Way Fine to Medium Treatment Mask. So I have 4 unopened masks. So I actually have no scalp scrubs at the moment, so I actually need to get some. Anyway, so that's them. Then for like, what do you call it, heat protectant, I've got this one from Ceramona. This is the Guava Rescue Spray. It says UV slash heat protective detangler, so it's like, you know, I feel like it kind of, it says a powerful formula that not only offers heat protection preventing decreased hair elasticity caused by heat damage, it also offers 24 frizz control for smoother, more defined hair. So I feel like it's kind of hard sometimes because I feel like obviously with beauty products now it's like everyone wants something that does like more than one thing, so it's kind of hard trying to find the categories, but I put that in heat protectant. Then I've got the She Glam Hot Streak Hair Oil Thermal Defense Glow Oil Elixir, so I'm putting that as like a heat protectant, so that leaves us with 2 of them. For shampoo and conditioner, I've got Away shampoo, I've got a little Olaplex shampoo and conditioner, and then I've also got a Briogeo shampoo, so that is 4. Hair oils and serums here. So I've actually got 2 of the Gizu ones, so 2 of those. I've got a Milkshake Integrity Oil. This is the Kerastars Elixir. It says versatile beautifying oil, so I actually need to search up what it does. But anyway, I have the Archive Good Habit Hybrid Oil. Yeah, it's just like a, it doesn't really say, oh no it does. Ultralight moisture and shine to the hair, nourishing your whole head, smells like future bloom. So I've got that. I have a Briogeo Farewell Frizz Rosehip Argan Coconut Oil Blend. I've got a Way hair oil. This is Fable and Mane Amla smoothing serum. And then a little JVN Complete Nourishing Shine drops. So those are my serums and oils. So we've got 9 of them. Then we've got these. These are like our leave-in conditioners slash like treatments. So I've got 2 of these Colour Wow Dream Coats. They're the Supernatural sprays. It says that it's an anti-frizz, anti-humidity treatment. I have the Way Anti-Frizz Cream, the Lush Super Milk, which I really want to try out soon, the Way Leave-In Conditioner, the Avadia, is it? Botanical Repair, Philip Kingsley Elastostyler, the Milkshake Whipped Cream Leave-In Foam, and then the Colour Wow Money Mist. So I've got 9 of those as well. And then the only other hair related thing I have is this little Emco Beauty hair and brow wand. So you know what, I don't, hair and brow wand, I'm honestly going to use it as a brow gel, to be honest, so I'm going to not even count that. So as for new 28 as well, so 56 hair things in total. Okay, let's move on to fragrance. So fragrance is pretty easy. I've literally just separated it into body spray and then like perfume. So all of our opened perfumes, I've got Tommy Girl, I've got one from, oh, I can't remember how to say it, Airy, I think it is. I think I've said that wrong, but I've got Sunset in Paris and also Midnight Whisper. These are like the dupe ones. I also have some from Dossier. Oh, these feel nice. This is Floral Violet. This is also like a dupe brand. I have a C. I love C, that's so good. Got this Kayali one. This is citrus. It's nice. I have Pistachio Paradise from Hideaway. That smells like Sol de Janeiro, the bum bum cream. This one is so good. This is Glass House, A Tahiti Affair. And then I've got the Kayali Vanilla, which is so close to being mixed up. This is my favourite. I really want to try out some more Kayali perfumes. I'm going to Sydney in a couple of months, so I'm going to smell some when I'm over there. So for open perfumes we have 9. It's so weird because if you ask me, like, I wouldn't even think that I actually had that many fragrances, but apparently I do. So yeah. I also need to figure out a new fragrance storage situation because I feel like I forget that I actually have a lot of different fragrances. So now onto body sprays. I have these from Hideaway. So I have Vanilla Delight, which is meant to smell like the Kayali vanilla. It's okay. It's got like, I don't know if I'll grow accustomed to it. It's alright. It's not my favourite. Like smelling it now, it smells okay. I feel like it might be alright. I don't know. Anyway, Vanilla Delight, I've got Paradiso, Pink Candy, and then Black Sugar. So those are my Hideaway ones. I've got a couple of Bath & Body Works. This is Warm Vanilla Sugar. We have Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte, which I don't know if I'm ever going to spray that on myself. Anyway, then I've got Champagne Apple and Honey. I've got this Victoria's Secret one, this Aqua Kiss. I actually really like that. I've got a Playboy one, Eyes on Me. I've got my MCO Beauty ones. I don't like this, number 2. Oh, I wish I did, but... Oh wait, is it number 2 that I don't like? Salted Caramel and Pistachio. No, that's the Bum Bum Cream one. I don't like the one that's Coco Cabana, because when it mixes with my skin, it smells like wee, and I hate it. I've got this new one from MCO. This is number 7, Sweet Guava and Fresh Coconut. It's kind of like, it smells like Teenage Girl, you know, like, but I don't mind it. I've got the number 3, which is Dragon Fruit and Jasmine. Smells good. Then I have this one. This is the dupe of this, the Brazilian Crush 68. You know what's funny? I actually feel like I like the MCO one better. I don't know, this one is not my favourite scent from Sol de Janeiro. Then I also have number 40 from Sol de Janeiro, which is my favourite. And I put this in an empties this month and then realised that I had like the tiniest spot left, so I'm going to use that up. And then the last one I have is the Princess Peach body spray from Lush. It smells so good. Okay, so I have 15 open body sprays. Okay. Now let's go on to our unopened fragrance, which, like I said, I didn't realise that I had so many unopened fragrances, and this is why I want to store them somewhere else, because I always forget about them. So I'm just going to quickly sort them into categories. Oh, that's an interior fragrance. That shouldn't be. It's like a room spray. I need to start leaving these in like the toilet or the bathroom or something. So I've actually got heaps of perfume, so I'll do the body sprays real quick. So I've only got 4. I've got 2 from MCO. I think this is one I don't like, the Vanilla and Macadamia. It's the Coco Cabana, and to me it just, when it mixes with my skin, yeah, it just smells like wee. Like, it smells really nice when it's not on my skin, but anyway. So that's that. And then I love this one. I need to open that soon when I finish up my Sol de Janeiro one. Then I've got this Satsuma from the Body Shop, which honestly looks like it's been used. Anyway, and then the P. Louise I Still Believe one, which smells really good. I just haven't like used it on myself yet. So I've got 4 unopened body sprays. Then on to perfume. I've got more of these Dossier ones. So like, I've obviously smelt them, but I just haven't like used them on my skin yet. They're all dupes. I feel like they all smell very mature, and I'm like, it scares me spraying mature perfume, because I'm like, am I a mature girl? But I've got 5 unopened ones of these. So I really want to start exploring fragrance more though, you know. And a lot of these I got out of advent calendars, so they're like sample sizes. This is the Who Is Elijah Nomad, and I think I really like this. I'm gonna get a headache in a minute. Yeah, I think I really like that. So I've got that one. Then I've also got Who Is Elijah Morning After. I think that's all from that brand. Ew, that's like in my mouth. I've got a mini Black Opium from, is it Black Opium from YSL? I don't know if it is actually. Doesn't really smell like Black Opium. Anyway, I've got a mini YSL. I've got a Bad Boy from Carolina Herrera. Mini C. This is from Lush, All Is Full of Love. I've got a Libre from YSL. I've got a Eternity for Women, Flame Calvin Klein. I've got another one of the Glass House, A Tahiti Fair. This is Plums, DS and D Erga. I've got more from Glass House. I have Sunsets in Capri, Kyoto in Bloom, and Midnight in Milan. Those ones. This is from Way. This is North Bondi, and I think I actually really like this. I need to start using it. Yeah, that's really nice. Oh, it's really like fresh or something. So yeah, I've got that. I've got one from Chloe Nomad. Fame from Paco Rabanne. And then I've got Midnight Muse. So some of these are, I can't remember what they're meant to be. I need to search up. But these are like the dupe perfumes. I'm going to search it up actually so I can remember. So I know Vanilla Delight is meant to be Kayali, which I don't really... Yeah, I don't really love it. I think I'm thinking about getting rid of that one, which I think I will, to be honest. It's just not my fave. I don't mind it in the body mist, but it's too strong in this, so I'm going to put that to the side and get rid of it. So Aurora Rogue is inspired by Aracat Rogue 540. Smells nice. I like that one. And then Midnight Muse. I think that might be a, I feel like this might be a Sol de Janeiro dupe. Let me search up. It says inspired by Rich Plum and Warm Vanilla, which is Sol de Janeiro, so yeah, I can kind of like, I get the vibes. Okay, so as for new perfumes, let's count. 1, 2, 3 new perfumes. Okay, so my open fragrance is 24 and my fragrance unopened is 27. Total fragrance is 51. Alright, I'm going to go quickly count the bath stuff and also the hand soaps, and then I'll be back and we can add up everything and see what our January total is, even though I know it's March, but still. Okay, so I've added everything up. So for bath, I've just done bubble bath, which is 2, bath salt, which is 2, bath bombs, which is 9, and bubble bars, which is 7, which gives us 20. Then I've got 11 hand soaps, so that leaves us with 147 products for January. I mean 1,470, sorry. 1,470. I think my goal for the end of the year is to like have 1,000, hopefully, because I just feel like that's crazy. So hopefully we can get down to 1,000, but we will wait and see. So yeah, I will see you guys probably at the end of the month, to be honest. There might not be a huge jump because obviously I've kind of only just finished this, but they're not going to be as in depth next time. I'm just kind of going to count everything off camera and come back and give you guys an update. So yeah, anyway, I will see you guys shortly.